Hi friends. Welcome to my channel limegreen. In this video I will tell you 7 best face washes for oily skin. Okay friends. Let's get started. Number 1, First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. First Aid Beauty provides everyday essentials and targeted skincare solutions that deliver immediate relief, lasting results, and feel-good textures. Their products are formulated with only clean, skin-loving ingredients that are carefully selected so you don't have to worry about what's in and not in your skincare products. There are over 1,300 ingredients on FAB's no-no list, including artificial colorants and artificial fragrances, parabens, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, denatured alcohol, methanol, N-butyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, SD alcohol, lanolin, propylene glycol, phthalates, mineral oil, petrolatum, formaldehydes, oxybenzone, coal tar, hydroquinone, triclosan, triclocarbon, talc, and sulfates. Number 2, OLEHENRIKSEN Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser. Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser reduces excess oil and deeply cleanses pores. Formulated with Green Fusion Complex, a proprietary blend of potent active botanicals, green tea, eucalyptus, algae, kelp, and Irish moss extracts, with natural antiseptic properties, and neem seed oil, its deep cleansing action helps unclog and purify pores without stripping skin, while the invigorating eucalyptus peppermint scent awakens the senses. Powerful glycolic and lactic acids help loosen and lift dead skin cells that can cause pore clogging buildup. Instantly, the complexion is refreshed and balanced with a healthy-looking oil glow. Number 3, Dermalogica Active Clearing Skin Wash. Foaming cleanser helps clear oils and bacteria on breakout-prone skin. Slough off impurities and dead skin cells with salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid that stimulates natural exfoliation to help clear clogged follicles and prevent future breakout activity. Naturally antiseptic extracts of balm mint, eucalyptus and tea tree help eliminate breakout-causing bacteria and congestion, as menthol and camphor help cool inflammation. Skin is left clean and prepped for optimal absorption of Medibac clearing treatment ingredients. Number 4, CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for Normal to Oily Skin. CeraVe's Foaming Face Cleanser for normal to oily skin has a unique formula with 3 essential ceramides that cleanses and removes oil without disrupting the protective skin barrier. Gentle foaming action refreshes and cleanses skin, as well as removes excess oils. Number 5, Eminence Organic Skincare Acne Advanced Cleansing Foam. Eminence Organic's Acne Advanced Cleansing Foam is a unique liquid-to-foam lightweight cleanser, features a powerful combination of an antiseptic herb blend and time-release encapsulated salicylic acid to gently slough dead cells, deeply penetrate pores and dissolve and clean excess buildup. Not only does this cleansing foam clean and prevent congestion caused by highly active skin types, but green tea caffeine is also utilized to reduce inflammation and redness, while panthenol provitamin B5 lubricates and provides hydration for an even healthy tone. Simply massage into your face and neck in a circular motion 1 to 3 times a day, as needed, and rinse and pat dry thoroughly as the first step to a clean, clear and complexion. Number 6, Tatcha the Deep Cleanse Exfoliating Cleanser. The formula harnesses the power of the Japanese luffa fruit, a natural beauty multitasker beloved by Japanese women for centuries. Ground fibers from the fruit exfoliate, helping to turn over dead skin cells while purifying and decongesting pores. The fruit extract also beautifies and conditions skin. Japanese wild rose works to visibly tighten pores and smooth skin texture, while Japanese leopard lily helps minimize excess oil. Number 7, Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. A face wash that suds up into a frothy lather to gently cleanse as it balances both dry and oily areas for skin that feels comfortably clean and refreshed. Formulated with tourmaline, broadleaf extract, and wheat protein, this clever cleanser discourages excess oil production while protecting dry areas. If you want to buy these products, you can buy from Amazon, the link given in the description below. If you like this video, like it and share it with friends, and also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can never miss our new updates. Thanks for watching.